ஹாய்ஸ்னு வந்திருக்கு சார். உமா மகேஸ்வரின்னு ஒருத்தர் உள்ள வந்திருக்காங்க. அமுதா வந்திருக்காங்க, பாபி வந்திருக்காங்க, விக்னேஸ்வரி சுகுமார் வந்திருக்காங்க, கீதாஞ்சலி, சந்தனா, தேவி. வாங்க சார், உள்ள வந்துருங்க. இல்ல சார் வராது, அது கரெக்டா அந்த நமக்கு அந்த டைம் வந்துடும். இல்லைன்னா அது இப்போ ரெடி ஆகிட்டு இருக்கு எல்லாமே. ஓகே சார். ஓகே சார்.
जय गुरुदेव सर.
जय गुरुदेव.
जय गुरुदेव सर.
जय गुरुदेव माँ.
जय गुरुदेव सर.
जय गुरुदेव.
जय गुरुदेव सर.
जय गुरुदेव.
जय गुरुदेव सर. जय गुरुदेव सर.
जय गुरुदेव. जय गुरुदेव.
वीडियो ऑन है.
இப்போ நான் ஹெட்செட் போடுறதுக்குள்ள ஆன் ஆயிடுச்சு. என் மூஞ்சி தெரிஞ்சுதான் தெரியல, யாரோ ஒருத்தவங்க மூஞ்சி காமிச்சது இதுல. சுகுணா மிஸ் ஜெய குருதேவ் டு ஆல்னு டைப் அடிக்கிறாங்க.
वेणुगोपाल सर, जय गुरुदेव.
गुरुदेव सर. जय गुरुदेव सर. कृष्णमूर्ति सर.
यस सर.
सर जय गुरुदेव सर.
जय गुरुदेव. जय गुरुदेव.
जय गुरुदेव
सर. जय गुरुदेव. எப்படி சார் இருக்கீங்க?
நல்லா இருக்கற. மகரிஷி குரூப் ஒரு சான்ஸ் கொடுத்தது.
Thank you sir.
Good morning from Coimbatore, Shankar.
पूर्णचंद्र सर, जय गुरुदेव सर.
जय गुरुदेव.
जय गुरुदेव सर.
जय गुरुदेव. Good morning sir. Shankar.
This is Amuda here.
जय गुरुदेव सर.
जय गुरुदेव.
जय गुरुदेव सर. सर एमएम लिपो.
जय गुरुदेव सर.
जय गुरुदेव.
जय गुरुदेव सर. जय गुरुदेव सर. रेडिया.
जय गुरुदेव सर.
जय गुरुदेव मैम.
जय गुरुदेव सर.
जय गुरुदेव.
जय गुरुदेव. एस नागराजन, इरगाटीपट्टै. Good evening, Venu.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, good evening.
Good evening, Venugopal.
Good evening, sir. Purnachandra, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Jai Gurudev and good evening, sir. This is Mani Meghle from Madurai, sir.
Jai Guru, ma'am.
ఏదో మీ
Jai Gurudev, sir. This is Rajeshwari from MEM Kumbakonam, sir.
Audio is not clear.
Jai Gurudev, sir. This is Menaka from Avadi.
Menaka from Avadi.
Yes, sir. Menaka from Avadi.
Okay, okay.
Sir, good evening, sir. Shankar from Coimbatore.
Jai Gurudev Shankar.
Good evening, sir. Jai Gurudev, sir.
Jai Gurudev, sir. This is Triveni from MVM SKPD, sir.
Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev, sir. This is Rajeshwari from
Jai Gurudev,
MEM
sir. I am
Kumbakonam, sir.
Parthiban.
Jai Gurudev, sir. Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev, sir. I am
జై గురుదేవ్ సార్ ఐఎమ్ గణపతి అమ్మాల్
Jai Gurudev, sir. I am Parthiban from SKPD.
జై గురుదేవ్ సార్ దిస్ ఇస్ పద్మావతి ఫ్రమ్ ఎస్కేపీ
Jai Gurudev, sir. This is Sukanya from MEM Ilupur.
MEM Ilupur.
Jai Gurudev, sir.
జై గురుదేవ్ సార్ ఐఎమ్ గణపతి అమ్మాల్ MIRS
Thank you. Jai
Jai
Gita
Gurudev, ma'am.
Lakshmi from Coimbatore.
Coimbatore. Jai
Jai
Gurudev,
Gurudev,
ma'am.
sir. This is Shanbahu Gomati from MVM Hosur, sir. Jai Gurudev, sir. I am Guru Samit from MEM SKPD, sir.
Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Jai Gurudev.
Sir, this is Madhurima from SKPD Maharishi.
Jai Gurudev, sir. This is Vishnuvya from MVM SKPD.
Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
sir.
Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev,
Jai
sir. I am
Gurudev, ma'am.
Vijayalakshmi from SKPD, sir.
SKPD. Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Jai Gurudev, sir.
జై గురుదేవ్ సార్ ఐఎమ్ శోభిత ఫ్రమ్ మహర్షి ఎస్కేపీ సార్
Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev, sir. I'm Geetanjali from SKPD.
Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
జై గురుదేవ్ సార్ ఐఎమ్ సుగుణ రవిచంద్రన్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎంపీఎం ఎస్కేపీ సార్
Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev, sir. A. Uma Maheshwari from MVM Hosur.
Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Jai Gurudev, sir. This is Devi from Tenkasi.
Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
జై గురుదేవ్ సార్ గజలక్ష్మి ఎంవిఎం హుజూర్
Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev, sir. From SKPD, sir.
SKPD. Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
జై గురుదేవ్ సార్ షర్మిల ఫ్రమ్ ఇలుపూర్
Ma'am, your audio is not clear, ma'am.
How are you?
Jai Gurudev, sir.
Jai Gurudev. Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Manita, ma'am.
Sir, Jai Gurudev, sir.
Jai
I am
Gurudev.
Anita Ilupur, sir.
Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev, sir. I'm Lakshmi from Ilupur, sir.
Jai Gurudev, sir. I am Parthiban, MEM SKPD.
Jai Gurudev Parthiban, sir. நான் பார்த்துட்டேன் உங்களை. நீங்க முன்னாலே வந்துட்டீங்க.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
அதுக்குதான் இந்த வாட்டி சீக்கிரம் வந்துட்டீங்க பொழுது.
இல்ல sir.
Jai Gurudev, sir. This is Vanita from MVM Chetan, sir.
Gurudev, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev, sir. I am Rajeshwari MEM from Kumbakonam, sir.
Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Shall we start, sir?
Yes, start. Krishnamurthy, start.
Yes, sir. Jai Gurudev, one and all. Welcome to the series of workshop that we are conducting. This is the third workshop conducted by Maharshi Vidya Mandir through Zoom. First workshop in the topic of roving to success, and second workshop in the topic of scouting for boys. And this is the third workshop on Wolf Cub Handbook. I welcome our district secretary, sir, Mr. Purnachandran, sir. He is the district secretary for past 10 years. When the Maharshi district was started, from that time he is the district secretary. We are having a equipped and multi-specialized training center, means that's only because of our Purnachandran sir's hard work. He approached to district commissioner and other committee members, and now it is the biggest training center we are having with centralized BAC, means that is because of Purnachandran sir. Before coming to Maharshi district, he was the district training commissioner of East Chennai district. We are the one of the district which is conducting more national programs and regional programs in district training center. Even state training center is not conducting that much of programs, but we are conducting national and regional programs in our Yamse. That's because of Purnachandran sir. And some instructions to the participants. Please mute your mic. Please mute all of your mic. Yes, the program will be recorded. The program will be recorded. If you want to talk, you please raise your hands. We will give the opportunity. Please don't unmute your mic, mute your mic. And second one, if the meeting disconnected in 4:30 means, again please connect with the same ID and the same password. There will be we will restart the program at 4:30 itself. So don't contact the organizer or Purnachandran sir, because he will be busy in the event. So all the participants are requested to mute your audio and connect after with the same ID and the same password. And another thing, take your notepad and pen. There will be a question answer session also. Thank you. I will forward to the PC sir. So over to PC sir. Sir.
Sir, you are not audible, sir.
Jai Gurudev, it is audible?
Yes, sir, now audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because of our district chief commissioner S. Namachivayam sir has taken more enforcement. So I thank our district chief commissioner who is giving an opportunity to share something regarding scouts and guides to our unit leaders. So today we are going to see about a very important topic. A Cub master, each and every master should know what is Wolf Cub Handbook. What is the purpose of Cub Handbook? So thing we're going to see in this. Before that, we have one, before starting workshop, we'll have one small jumbled words. Over to Himudha. First, note your answers in the notepad. What are the answers? No. First is J dash N dash L dash L dash. So fill this and write it in your notepad. Don't discuss. Only 3 seconds for all the 8s. Finished. Next.
Yes.
Second one is M dash W dash L dash. Third one, don't tell answer and all. We'll put answer. It is correct. You tick it yourself. Third one is A dash, E dash. Fill that blank. Fourth one is B dash. B dash, L dash, and dash. Fifth one, B dash, T dash. So your time starts now. Within 2 seconds, finish all the 5. Starts now. Over. Now you can check your answer. If your answer is correct, if your answer is wrong, put wrong. The answer is Jill. Is Mowgli. Third answer is Akela. Fourth one is Balu. Fifth one is you can raise your hands who all got all the correct.
Sir, one wrong, sir.
All the 5 correct.
Four.
Raise your hands. Let's check. Okay. If it's wrong, don't worry. You correct now itself.
Sir, one is wrong, sir.
So, like this,
Some people are not muted. Please mute. Akimurthy, go to PT.
PC sir, unmute yourself, sir. PC sir, please unmute yourself. Yes, sir.
Put the PPT. Today, objective of this workshop. By the end of the session, the participant will be able to. By the end of the session, the participant will able to know the importance of the book. Why this name has came, who is the author, all the things you will be knowing to know the importance of the book. Next one is the second objective of this workshop about this book is to know the importance of the bikes. Why they will called as bikes. So we are going to deal these two objectives, importance of book and the importance of bikes. Now, you have seen, you know, the author of this book is our founder, Lord Baden-Powell. This book has been written by our founder, Lord Baden-Powell. Next. So, we have seen in the PT that our founder photo. With the help of our Jungle author, you all know who is our Jungle Book author, Kipling. Not Rudyard Kipling, it is Rudyard Kipling. Yes, there you strike off Rudyard Kipling. So, with the, you all know the Kipling is based on Jungle Story. Jungle Story, Jungle Book of Rudyard Kipling. With the help of Rudyard Kipling, the Wolf Cub Hand has launched. It can tell us co-author also. Rudyard. Next. first book was published on 16th December 1916. 16th December 1916 is the thing we forgot. Why? Because the first Gandal is nothing. Nowadays they are telling us a cubbing. On that day only our cubbing was formed. So the first book, Wolf Cub Handbook, was released. The first book edition has been released by our founder on 16th December 1960. And the first edition reprinted on 1933. That you should not confuse. The first edition reprinted by our Lord and Paul Gilville has been 1933. Next. It has been so much languages, especially English, Bengali, Hindi, and now we are. This is a Bengal book. We can, if you go for West Bengal, they are having this type of book. Next. Next. The 9th edition of this book is 1938. The previous PPT. This is the latest edition. This is the 9th edition, 1938. This is the old book. Actually, the latest edition is now it's been reprinted. This book, you can see the picture. Cubs are seen. The center, the cub master is standing. That is, we are very proud to tell who has been taken from our district, Mashi district, from Mashi Vidmandi Senior Secondary School, Hosur. Madam Priya, Madam H.T. badge holder from MEM Hosur is standing on the star of the Cubs. This picture has been taken. Now, this book has been published in 2018. We are very proud to tell that our district photo came here. This is the latest edition printed by National Quarters. You all know, see, what is WCHB? WCHB is the Wolf Cub Handbook. WCHB is a Wolf Cub Handbook. The book contains, next. This book contains 3 parts. This book contains 3 parts. Part 1 will consist of 16 bytes. 16 bytes. Second part is totally. Part 2 is consist of proficiency badges. Or proficiency badges was been when the first edition has been released. Part 3 is objectives and methods of Wolf Handbook, and our founder has given hints to the cub master how to handle cubs. What are the things you should be added? What are the things should be deleted? That things given hints how to handle cubs with this Cub and Wolf Handbook. Next. Next. Introduction of this book. Grateful to Rudyard Kipling to quote the Jungle Book. All the hints have been, all the bytes so far will be taken from Jungle Book only. Our author, Jungle Book author, Rudyard permission to add our Wolf Cub Handbook. So, as per book is concerned, like a young wolf, this book is a meal to the young. Every boy like every young wolf. Young wolf means nothing. It is a, this book is a meal to the young cubs. Each cub get as well as some enjoyment out of every. You really every bite is having meaningful. Not only you, not only a master, each and every cub learn this wolf. As per is concerned, next slide. Next, for the cub master, National Headquarters has released part 1 to 8 dates for completed basic course. They should know about 1 to 8 bytes. Then from 9 to 60 bytes, you will learning in advanced course for Master. When you come for the advanced course, you can learn 9 to 16 bytes. When you go for course, part 2 and part 3, things will be learned unit leader, particularly a master. So part 1, part 3 for badge holders. Now this is for the Cub Master. As a unit leader, you should know these till the wood badge. Next slide. Next slide. For the Cub, nowadays, Chatur Charan, when you ref APRO part 2, page number 16, you will know to know from the Cub Master 2 bytes from Wolf Cub and Book. So, as a Cub Master, you should know all the bytes. Then only you should teach your Cubs. Sending your Cubs to the state award is Chaturda Charan award. A Cub should know any 2 bytes about in the Wolf Cub and Book. For a you should learn, you should teach them. For if you want to teach to the Cubs, you should know all the things. Next. Now, byte. What is meant by byte? That you should know. What they are calling byte. For example, our battle is released for rovers, rangers, roving into success. For scouts and we have introduced scouting for boys. Scouting for boys. But for the Cub Masters, for the Cub Master, has released Wolf Cub and Book. In the roving into success, they will called as chapters. For each and every exercise, they will called as a chapter. Whereas in Scout for Boys, they are called as a yarns. Whereas in Wolf Cub and Book, it has been called byte. You know why they are called byte? You know that our cubbing is based on Mowgli story. Mowgli means whole family. Actually, it is a juicy meat into be tongue most to granaries. Granaries means actually all non-vegetarian unitors know. When you suck the meal, you will get the juicy. Juicy call it, the founder is tell that is a see every bite anything, sucky thing. Actually, in the book, each bite having so much of knowledgeable words where the founder is given. So, as a unit leader, you should suck, you should swallow all the. So, this is nothing but it is a chewing food. Next. First, first story of Mowgli modern. First story of Mowgli is nothing but in the you all of the Jungle Book story. Actually, in the first part of the story, how Mowgli entered to the forest. I will tell the important things in the story. Who are all the characters? Who are there in this? Actually, this taken from Jungle Book. The author of the story is it has been taken from the Madhya Pradesh, Jabalpur district. There, in Srinivas, is in this they have been taken. The character there in this is Uttar. Sher Khan is nothing but a tiger. And mother is a wolf. We call other name or mother is Raksh. And Raksha Guns we call it as great. Then there is a river that her name is Venga. and samba on a day that we call it the person who has all the laws of forest is called that person name is called Balu. Next, Bagheera. Bagheera teach all the thing about that. And Dabaki nothing but a jack. Balu is a bear. Bagheera is a boy, the mom, one boy. That we will ask a Mowgli. So these are things in the story of Mowgli. Next, wolf cubs. What wolf cubs is nothing but young scouts who are not old enough to the boy scouts. Young scouts, that is, each group will be fit to take it's a small boy. After 10th, they are called younger scouts. So, young scouts who are not quite old to boy scouts. That is called wolf cub. Wolf is nothing but young, the king of young wolves. That is below 10 years, they are called as young wolf. That is only our fathers telling that in cubs or wolves. For younger than about 10 years, they are called wolves. WOLVS. For us, WOLF. From only they taken grey, red, and we are calling sixers. That sixer will be calling as grey, black, red word. Here in the Wolf Cub Bank, our founder is telling like that. Grey wolf, black wolf, red wolf, wolf, like so when you do this, you can know more. Next is Zulu. In South Africa, you know the Ashti tribes. From them, they learned, the founders learned about that young warrior, young warrior. You can know more of that. So for that, given name Umfin or Umfin is calling boy. Okay, these are the Zulu boys, about Zulu boys. Next, Kishmu sir, next. Duties of cubs. What is duty? In a camp, as a cub, what they should know how to tie the knots, how to hide the fear, how to be comfortable in the camp, how to do good in the camp, how to be comfortable for all the things, whether he be enjoying very heavy things in their home, but they cannot expect all the things in the camp. So these are the duties of the cubs. Next, JK sir. Circles of the council rock. You all know our cub greeting. In the council, the center person who will be standing, that is cub master will be standing. That rock, we call it as council rock. Next to the rock, next to the inner circle, we call it rock circle. The outer circle, we call it a parade circle. These are the three rocks we have been introduced by our founder in the circle. Not only that, in PT and all, well attained standard is, but here we are using a magic word. We call it pack. When you tell the word pack, all will be the standing position will be out the ancient position. That is called the simple word where our father has released this word. Not telling us standard is attained and all. He is telling the pack. These are the things in the circle of count rock. Next, JK sir. Last one is grand owl. It's nothing but now we are telling as a greeting. The first grand owl in America, it has been launched in December 16. That is the first grand owl. That is first time the World Band book has been released. So nowadays we are calling that as a World book. So these are the thing in the first book. There are 16 bits are there. So you will read the book. You can learn more about this. PDF format in the group about this, and you can read that book. You can know about that. Last one of this first book is Game of Shere Khan and Mowgli. It is nothing a game where having 24 cubs means having one boy as a Mowgli, two boys as one boy as a Shere Khan. Others will call other ones. We call it a name as a Father Wolf or Mother Wolf or Grey Brothers. So only is the Shere Khan cannot catch the Mowgli. So like that, you should face a game. That game will be introduced by our founder in the first bite. You can that game in the Wolf Cub book. You can learn more about that. These are the things, the first bite. So you will outline of the first bite. So any doubts or if you have want to ask any questions, you can ask now. Any doubts?
Sir, Jai Gurudev, sir.
You have doubts means you can chat.
Chatting or straightly can I ask, sir? This is Shanbhav Gomati from Maharishi
ask, no problem. You ask, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sir, do we have to list out all the characters present in this?
The audio is not visible, ma'am. Your audio is not audible.
Sir, now is that okay? Is that okay now, sir?
Some disturbance is there, ma'am. Tell me, ma'am. Tell me, ma'am. Huh?
No, sir. You. Hello, sir.
Excuse me.
Tell me, ma'am. Tell me, ma'am.
Excuse me, all other teachers, please put your device in mute. Sorry to.
I request all leaders to mute.
Excuse me. I request everyone to put your device in mute. Excuse me. Yeah, because someone is switch on the TV and some sir is telling something we cannot hear. Can you please? Thank you. Ma'am, now you can proceed, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. This is Shanbhav Gomati from Maharishi Vidya Mandir, Hosur, sir.
Tell me, ma'am.
In this first chapter, this first bite, you told that story of Mowgli will be asked, and we have to list out all the characters present in this story, like you told, no, sir?
Yes.
So, do we have to list out all the characters present in this play to the children?
No. I have told the outline of the story. In the first bite, in the story of Mowgli story is there. In the Mowgli story, some characters I have told. You must read that story. Then you can tell the cubs very nicely. I have told only the characters and the outline about that. We have time, so that only given the only outline. You don't do that with your cubs. You learn. You read first that whole story, and you tell the story. Do not complete a story in one pack meeting. It will take 3 months minimum.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Right? Okay, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Any questions? Any questions?
I think, sir, Anushya madam is raising a hand. Anushya Iyer madam is raising her hand. I request.
So this is myself only, sir. Anusha Iyer is my email ID.
Okay, ma'am.
This is Shanbhav Gomati from MVM Hosur, sir. This because sir asked for answer, no, sir.
Any questions?
Same it is.
Any questions? You can ask. Regarding
No,
Wolf Cub
sir.
handbook, you have any doubts, you can ask about what we have presented now.
Tanishka madam raising your hand, please. Ask madam.
Only one unit leader are asking question. What?
Geeta Andrew madam.
Sir, Jai Gurudev Punachadran, sir. I am from Irigatti Kotte, sir. I want to know how can
Tell me. Huh?
so that we can go through it. How to access this book, sir?
I can't hear, ma'am. Please.
Sir, how to get the book, sir? Will we?
How
will
you
give us
can
some
get this book?
Yeah, you'll give us e-printout, sir. How is it, sir?
We will send you a PDF, ma'am. After the workshop is over, we will be sending the PDF format your my MD BSc group. You can take from that printout, or you can buy the book also. After the lockdown, you can buy the book also.
All right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Any questions?
Kanishka, madam.
Any question? Shall we ask question? I will ask questions for you.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Shall we ask question?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
I will ask question. So write your name, notepad. Write the answer only. Expand WCHB. What is WCHB? Don't tell the answer. Don't tell the answer. I told that. Don't tell the answer. All are finished?
Yes, sir.
Declare if it is Wolf Cub and book, tick the answer. If it is put into mark. Okay. Next question. Wolf Cub of the story. If you know, tell. You write it in your Law Baden. Third question. We joint author of the WCHB. WCHB means Wolf Cub book. Who is the joint author? You know the answer, right in your note. All right, put the answer, J sir. Don't take out the answer. You simply see the there will be answer will be the if your answer is correct, tick. Rudyard Kipling is answer. Next person. Next person.
How many parts?
How many parts the Wolf Cub and book?
3 parts.
Three.
Total answer. Right. Right. Put the answer. JK sir. 3 parts. Okay.
3 parts.
What is the name called for each and every exercise? We will add the name.
16 bytes.
One is part 1, 16
Right
bytes.
answer.
2 proficiency batches. And the third one objectives. And the third.
JK put the answer. I have all the why they call bytes? Why they are called bytes?
It's a juicy meat.
Into be eaten, the bones to be.
Tell the answer. You read in notepad. After you will be seen the scene and then you click. Put the answer. JK sir. It is juicy meat to be eaten, bones to be snacks. Right?
Yes,
Next. How many bytes there? Total how many bytes there?
3.
Only number.
16.
Don't tell the answer.
16 bytes are there.
Put the answer. Put the 16 bytes are there. Next. How many provisions in part 2? That is, we have 3 parts. In part 2, we have provision badge. How many provisions badges are there? Answer. Scene provision badges, Wolf and book. Scene provision badge. Next thing.
When was first edition?
When was the first edition released? When was the first edition has been released?
1933.
And the year.
16th December.
1933.
Answer. You need it not. Sir, JK sir, put the answer. That is 1933, first edition. Actually, the book was released on 16th November. The first edition printed in 1933. Okay. Right. Next. In here, the last edition was printed. In here.
2018.
I will call where are also there are units having motor there. I have given. That's right. Put that 2018 reprint, the latest edition has been printed. What is the other name for grand owl? What is the other name for grand owl?
Greeting.
Okay, put the answer, sir. What is the now as covering? No, on modern days we call it as grand owl. Right? Next. Thank you very much. Any doubts, any questions you may ask, you can ask.
Sir,
Any questions?
one doubt, sir. Sushila from MVM Chefet, sir. Sir, I want the year again, sir. Third question. Sir,
what, ma'am?
Third question answer.
I will send, no problem. I will send.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
I will this PP in the what also. I put three things. One is I will put this this PT. Other one is I put the PDF of the book. I will see one of in the YouTube. I have seen the first bite. They have told that should be thing in the subgroup.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Any questions you want to ask me, you can ask. You have it out. Any questions? JK sir, Ekampuram sir is on the line.
Sir, Ekampuram sir. 1 minute, sir.
Ekampuram sir is the.
Venugopal sir is in line.
I request Ekampuram sir to. Ekampuram is the.
Sir, Ekampuram sir is not in line, I think.
Okay, I request to tell about some months of this Kaban. Oh, Venugopal sir.
Venugopal sir, unmute yourself. Sir, Venugopal sir, please unmute yourself.
Sir, someone can invite him. Otherwise, he will not know that.
Venugopal sir, please unmute yourself.
Panita sir.
Yes, sir. Yes. It's over to you.
Okay, ready. Start now.
Yes.
Where is the PowerPoint? Hello.
Venugopal sir, please unmute. Sorry, Purnachandran sir, unmute yourself. Purnachandran sir, please unmute yourself.
Hello.
Sir, it's audible. You can speak. Purnachandran sir, please unmute yourself.
Hello. Hello, Purnachandra sir. Hello. Krishnamurthy sir.
Sir, PC sir, please unmute yourself.
Sir.
It's okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. To Venugopal.
Purnachandra sir. நீங்க
Venugopal sir.
சார் கண்டினியூ பண்ணுங்க சார். பூர்ணச்சந்திரன் சார், நான் கடைசியா பேசுறேன்.
அவர் பேசி முடிச்சிட்டார், நீங்க தான் கண்டினியூ பண்ணணும்.
அவ்வளவுதான் முடிஞ்சிச்சு. நீங்க சொல்லுங்க உங்களுடைய கமெண்ட்ஸ்.
ஓகே ஓகே, கமெண்ட் சொல்லுங்களா? நான் ஃபுல் பைட் புக் பத்தி ஃபுல்லா இது பண்ணேன். தேங்க்யூ Magarishi district Mr. Purnachandra sir, and today as a program coordinator Mr. Krishnamurthy. Each bite very excellent now today as I explained. Each bite and beautiful taste and juicy and meat and eat. Thank you, very good explanation Mr. Purnachandra sir. Thank you for given opportunity. Thank you sir.
Thank you sir.
Thank you.
Neelakandan is on the. Neelakandan is there?
Yes sir. Neelakandan sir.
Krishnamurthy.
Yes sir.
Neelakandan irkara line?
Irkar sir. I
invite our Neelakandan sir to comment about the Wolfsbane book.
So Neelakandan sir has left.
Left?
Yes sir.
Okay. So thank you very much. You leaders, any doubt can ask now. I think how much time is there?
Sir, it's already 4:45.
Exactly. Good time.
Seri.
Good time, sir.
Okay, any doubt, madam? You have any doubts means you can ask, or we'll wind up now.
Thank
okay,
you.
Thank you very much. Jai Dev.
Jai Gurudev sir.
Krishnamurthy sir, you close it.
Yes sir. I thank Mr. District Secretary. Sir,
okay, thank you much.
And Venugopal sir for coming and giving the valuable suggestions for this workshop. I thank all the participants because this is the grand success. We 95 today 100 participants are participated in this webinar. This is the first time we are conducting and 100 participants are participated. Thank you to all the participants. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Safe at home. Safe at home. Thank you much.
Sir, shall we wind up?
Wind up.
Thank you, sir.
Close it, sir. Close it. No problem.